In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check inactive ActiveCampaign contacts. We'll walk through a simple way to find and review contacts who haven't been engaging with your emails, so you can keep your list clean and your deliverability strong. I'll describe what you should be looking for on the screen, and you can pause at any point to follow along inside your own ActiveCampaign account. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation menu running vertically. From here, click on the option labeled Contacts. This is where all of your subscribers and contact records live, and it's the starting point for checking engagement. After you're on the Contacts area, look toward the top or side navigation related to managing your audiences, and click on Lists. Lists are the groups or segments of contacts that you send specific campaigns to, like a newsletter list, customer list, or leads list. Choose the list you want to review for inactive contacts. You don't need to open it fully. Instead, focus on the small drop-down icon next to the list name. Next to the list you're interested in, you'll notice a down-facing caret or a small arrow icon. Click that down caret to open a drop-down menu of options for that particular list. This menu gives you list-specific tools, including the one we need for engagement. From that drop-down, select Engagement Management. This is a built-in tool from ActiveCampaign that helps you identify subscribers based on how recently they've interacted with your emails. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a screen that shows engagement filters and cleanup options tied to that list. On the Engagement Management page, look for a button or link that says View Cleanup Options. Click this to see the presets ActiveCampaign provides for identifying inactive contacts. Here, you'll typically see criteria like contacts who haven't opened or clicked an email within a certain time frame. Take a moment to read the descriptions so you understand exactly who will be considered inactive before you proceed. Once you've reviewed the options, you're ready to run the cleanup. Click on Cleanup Now. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your time frame and the action you want to take. For example, you can choose how far back to look for engagement and whether to unsubscribe those contacts or simply exclude them from future campaigns. Choose the settings that match your strategy, then confirm. ActiveCampaign will process your selection and mark or remove those inactive contacts according to the options you picked, helping you maintain a healthier, more responsive email list.